Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. I'm here today for a quick and exciting tour in Park McKinley West, Tower D, the newest residential condo in McKinley West, Taguig. As you step in, you're greeted by hotel-like lobby, modern finishes, and 24/7 concierge service. Now, let's talk about amenities. Residents here enjoy because of the children's playground, lounge, and resorts type pool like kiddie pool, adult pool, and lap pool. A fully equipped fitness center, game room, indoor and outdoor yoga, and landscape gardens. And even dance studio. Whether you're into relaxing or staying active, there's something for you. And a function room for big gatherings or meetings. Park McKinley West Tower D has 5 passenger elevators and 1 service elevator. And this is a 25-story building. Hi guys, let's come inside. Dito is in the left side, meron tayong granite countertop. Then meron tayong overhead counter cabinet, which is easy to open. Then we have our under counter cabinet. Then we have a 4-burner induction cooktop. Meron din spacious na kitchen. Then we have built-in oven. Yan. Then we have a box-type sink with retractable faucet na may provisions for hot and cold. Then also, in this side, the maid's room. Spacious maid's room, or pwede mo siyang gawing utility or pantry area kung wala kayong maids na kukunin. Then, provisions for washer-dryer na may faucet, saksakan. Then, and also here pala, we have the provisions for refrigerator. This one. Here, we have the spacious dining and living area na pwede kayong maglagay dito ng table. And this is your dining area. Then also, we have split type aircon na included na siya sa unit, which is Daikin. Then, meron tayong access sa balcony. This one. Then we have the views is in the amenities, the swimming pool, the kiddie pool, McKinley Hill or the American. Let's proceed to the 1-bedroom. One bedroom, may aircon, then may modular closet na 3 doors. Yan. 3-door modular closet. Then may access sa balcony. Same sa living area and dining area natin. Then let's go to the toilet and bath. Na pwede siya pampagamit kung may mga bisita, ganon. Then, meron tayong malaking sink, malaking mirror na pwede tayong papagawa ng cabinets here. Then we have complete accessories in toilet and bath, which is may bidet. Yung toilet natin is color. Then we have glass partition. This one. Then we have rain and handheld shower. Then provisions for hot and cold. Then complete accessories na yung toilet and bath natin. Sa master bedroom na malaking space, pwede yung king bed or king size bed. Na which is meron tayong pangatlong split type aircon na may access sa balcony. Yan. Same din sa dining, living area, and sa bedroom 1 na may access sa balcony. Then we have 4-door modular closet, a big space for your clothes or shoes, bags. This one. Then you have master bedroom, toilet, and bath. A big spacious bathroom, toilet, and bath. We have also same as the toilet one. We have bidet. We have the toilet is color. Then a big sink with big mirror. Then pwede kayong or interior pwede natin pagawa ng under counter cabinet na pwedeng lagyan ng mga gamit pang mga sabon, shampoo. Then we have glass partition sa ano. Then we have rain and handheld shower. It's what you see is what you get. And na may provisions for hot and cold. Yan, maganda na yung bathroom natin dito. The layout is smart, efficient, and feels super spacious. You've let a tons of natural light and check out that view. And imagine waking up to this every morning, whether you're working from home or winding down after a long day. That skyline view is a whole vibe. If you're looking for a modern living with the perfect mix of luxury and convenience, Park McKinley West Tower D might just be the spot for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for real estate tours and lifestyle content. See you on my next vlog.